Hello friends, today we are talking about cogeneration and tree generation. Cogeneration or it is called as combined heat and power. Cogeneration plants recover the waste heat that is otherwise discarded from conventional power generation to produce thermal energy. Cogeneration is alternative name for CHP simply means that the electricity and heat are made at same time working. A conventional power plant makes electricity by a fairly inefficient process. A fossil fuel such as oil, coal or natural gas is burned in a giant furnace to release heat energy. The heat is used to boil water and make steam. The steam drives a turbine. The turbine drives generator and generator makes electricity. The trouble with this is that energy is wasted in every step of the process, sometimes quite spectacularly. For example, the water that is boiled into steam to drive the steam turbines has to be cooled back down using giant cooling towers in the open air, wasting huge amounts of energy, much of which literally disappears into thin air. Now, a fuel driven power plant has to work by heating and cooling. That is what the laws of physics say, but surely we don't have to waste quite so much energy in this process. Instead of letting heat escape uselessly up cooling towers, why not simply pipe it as hot water to homes and offices instead? That is essentially the idea behind CHP, to capture the heat and that would normally be wasted in electricity generation and supply it to local buildings and as well. Where a conventional power plant makes electricity and waste the heat it makes as a byproduct, a CHP power plant makes both electricity and hot water and supplies both to consumers. Cogeneration simply means that electricity and heat are made at the same time. Tree generation, it refers to the simultaneous generation of electricity and useful heating and cooling from the combustion of a fuel or a solar heat collector. Benefits of tree generation: its high efficiency, energy surety, high efficiency when waste heat is used for heating and cooling, thermal efficiency can reach up to 90%. This high conversion rate suggests that the tree generation reaps its greatest benefits when to facilitate facilities where electricity, heating, and cooling are needed constantly. This is ideal for facilities such as 24-hour industrial parks, certain commercial buildings, blocks, or even hospitals that operate all day. Energy surety: tree generation is also useful in areas prone to droughts. Operations can continue through erratic weather patterns that often would affect electricity transmission from a centralized power station. In this tree generation, we get cooling, heating, electricity at three factors, and in cogeneration, we get only two factors such as electricity, heat energy.